Okay, so with weights, you can use them for your hamstrings and your legs too, but you'll be working your core at the same time. When you're kneeling, remember, first of all, just opening up the spine first of all, and then bringing it into a flat back. So you don't want to be taking it into a big arch like this with your bum sticking up. You want to keep the ribs and the hips closed together. So you're protecting your lower back at all stages. So you're keeping the ribs and hips pulled in, nice and tight through the core. You're going to take your weight, pop it behind your knee. So you're going to hold it in place with your calf muscle and your hamstring. When you take your leg up, make sure that you don't do this with your body, okay? You want to keep the body exactly in the same position, hands straight underneath the shoulders, fingers spread so that you can get some weight onto your fingers as well. And from here, exhale, pressing it up, inhale, bringing it down. Exhale, press it up. And you want to go this slowly, making sure that you keep this engaged the whole time. And inhale, releasing it down. And you want to take it straight up, heel to the ceiling, and inhale, bring it down. So we don't want to be seeing any of this thing happening. It's very, very still and very, very slow. That is the way to get the best benefit out of doing this exercise. You do 10 of those, you bring it up like this, and with your flexed foot, pressing up to the ceiling. Don't sink into the opposite shoulder. You're going to press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you can take it into what we call the fire hydrant. Think about a dog, what it does when it sees a fire hydrant, lifting up to the side, and do 10 of those. You will work this entire part of your body here, as well as this section here. Don't forget to do those exercises. You need to make sure that you pull your ribs and hips together, back flat. It's the main thing, protecting your back.